it's a very great day where I trying to buy something, and I just trying to choose the nested cup noodles, which the flavor is bulalo. I really like bulalo flavor of noodles, and it's so tasty all a lot.
So
Wow.
beefy.
So it's very satisfying for me as a student, and kinakailangan ko muna pahinga ng kahit anong oras.
Ooh.
It's a very big challengeable day para sa akin, and ang sarap talagang buhay. Ang sarap talaga yung ang cup noodles na nested. So it's a very big it's a very good noodles.